guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be cleaning up my brushes, and I am going to be using the STYLPRO makeup brush cleaner and dryer. This is what it looks like. This is what the back of it looks like. So they recommend to clean your makeup brushes once a week, and I am so far behind, and I finally found this tool to put it to use. So if you want to know how it works, then just go ahead and keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can be notified for any future video. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first off, I do want to say thank you so much to my friend Gabby. I actually found out about this tool through her because I saw her using this on her Instagram stories. I think that's where I saw it at, and I DM'd her. I was like, hey girl, where did you get that? Because I need that in my life. So she actually purchased hers at Costco, and I ran my little ass to Costco and purchased one for myself because I really needed to wash all of these dirty, filthy brushes. So thank you so much, Gabby, for letting me know where you found it at. And I'll insert a clip in here showing you guys where I got it and the price. So it was really affordable. It was like $19.90 something, $20. It was $20, so I'm really hoping that this thing really works. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So this is the STYLPRO makeup brush cleaner and dryer. And this is gonna contain 8 silicone collars and a stand. It's gonna have a titanium unbreakable bowl with a neck. It's gonna have 150 milligrams STYLPRO brush cleaner, which is this one right here. And it also does have a STYLPRO device that is included in here along with the batteries. So yes, I'm so excited. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right into it. I actually have my brushes all lined up right here, and it's been a while that I have not washed them. So I'm so excited to get into this machine and wash them all out and dry them. So let's just go ahead and break into it. Since the Costco packaging is always so secure, I was gonna start cutting down here, and then I noticed that it was like really hard to cut through. If you're a men's side like myself, it does have a freaking tab right here to pull. I didn't even see it till after I started cutting and I couldn't open it. But anyway, it does have a tab, so you're just supposed to pull it. Okay, that makes sense. Oh my God, I swear. Voila, that's how you open it. Okay, anyhow, so let's take it out of the packaging. So here is the little cleanser that they said it has. So we're gonna set that aside. Here is the titanium bowl with the neck. And let's see what else it has in here. Okay, here we go. So here are the 8 little necks. So it has 8 different little sizes. Here is your device and your batteries. And this is just like the little neck holder, I believe that's what that is. All right, let's see. Okay guys, so this is what the actual bowl looks like out of its packaging. So the bowl is a pretty good size. I already went ahead and applied some water to it. And then these are the attachments. So it has 8 different size of attachments. I already placed my little small brush onto this one. So this is what they look like. So these are the attachments, and this down here at the bottom is the holder. And then this is what your device looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and attach this together. And the whole process is that you're supposed to dunk it in, spin it, and then lift it up, and then it's gonna dry. So we're gonna put that to use right now. I am just gonna apply some of the cleaner onto the little bowl now. So let's do that. Okay guys, so let's apply the cleaner onto the bowl. I think like that much should be good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try this device now. Let me turn it on. So it has a little switch right here so we can turn it on. Oh shit. I was not expecting that, but this thing has a lot of power. So let's go ahead and dunk it in. Oh shit, I'm so surprised. Okay, so I'm gonna lift it now. I think it's now clean. Gonna lift it. And now it should be drying. Now let's see what the end result is. Oh my God. You guys, my brush is clean. I can't believe it. Wow, that water's dirty now. Yeah, it worked. And it's actually dry. What the heck? This is so cool. Oh my God. This is so freaking awesome. It's dry and it's nice and clean. Let me show you what the water looks like. This is what the water is looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the process to all of my little brushes, and then I'll move on to like the bigger face brushes afterwards to see if it does the same thing as the little one. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into that, and I'm gonna start cleaning out all my little brushes now. I wanted to share with you guys all this nasty gunk that has came out of the brushes. This is disgusting, and like now I like understand why makeup brushes are a breeding ground for like causing bacteria and causing breakouts and spots and irritating your skin, because all of the bacteria is held in the brushes if they are not washed. So 44% of women have never ever washed their brushes, and that's why professionals recommend that cleaning your makeup brushes once per week is a great method. And this is such a great use to, it prevents less messiness, and it cuts your time, and it leaves your brushes nice and dry immediately. And if you like hand wash your brushes, it's gonna leave them wet and unusable for hours. So this little device is pretty amazing. I highly recommend it. Like, look at that. That is so disgusting. Wow, I can't believe it. I'm like super shook. I'll show you guys, this is the before. These are all of my eyeshadow brushes from Morphe. So here's the before, and here is the after. And it leaves them nice and fluffy and clean back to what their original shape was. So shook. All right guys, so this is what my bowl is looking like now that I am all done washing all of my eye brushes. I can't wait to see what my face brushes look like once they are washed, because I'm pretty sure that this is what was causing some of my breakouts. So I can't wait to see what these look like once they are all done washing. And this is what this looks like from the eyeshadow brush. Okay guys, so we are now gonna do the big face brushes. I'm gonna be doing this one super filthy, and let's see. This is so awesome. Okay, let's turn this off. All right. Okay, now we can go ahead and dip it in. So let's put it to test. Oh shoot. Wow, look at all this gunk. Okay, we're gonna let it dry. Whoa, it's super big, so we're gonna turn this off. And this is what it looks like. It's nice and fluffy back to its original shape. I'm gonna just go ahead and take it off of the attachment, and there it is. Oh my God, I'm so shocked. All right guys, so I just wanted to show you how nasty my bowl looks. Oh my God, it has all of the face foundation on there. I can't believe how disgusting this looks. It like really did deep clean all of my brushes. I'm super shook about it. Also guys, I did forget to mention regarding the solution, you can just put this directly onto your bowl. There is no need for you to add water. I added water to my bowl and I did pour a little bit of the solution, but on here it does say that there is no need to add water. So you do not need to add water to your solution. You can just pour this directly and it'll clean out the brushes just as well. I added water to mine and it cleaned it just perfectly fine. Guys, you guys can find this little makeup brush cleaner at your local Costco. I found mine at my local Costco. If I find the information down below, like online or Instagram or whatever, I'll go ahead and I'll link it down below so you guys can go check them out. But I highly recommend this. This is amazing, and I have nice clean face brushes all over again, nice squeaky and clean, so I can't wait to play with these all over again. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.